Happy birthday, Schweiry! Are you happy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, wait. So this is a new laptop for Schweiry's birthday. Oh, and you got your own. Ayan, may kasama siyang bag. Lenovo bag. Okay. Wait. Maybe here. It's here. Yeah. Oh wow, it's very thin. This is even mahal than my laptop. It's very thin. Look.
Whoa!
So, kasama siya charger. So, this is only very thin. It's really good for you. Wow. So, automatic na siya. When you open this, automatic na siyang na-go open. Wala nang power button. Automatic na siya. See? It's very nice. Ayun. So, this is new. The newest. Zen yata ito. So, ito ang kanyang charger. So, as you can see, tingnan natin ang kanyang mga features. Ayun. So, Zen na siya. Zen. Okay. Tingnan muna natin. So, we have, ayun. Ryzen pala. Ryzen. SD na rin siya. Series 5. Ayan. Wow. AMD. Radeon Graphics. Tapos, ayan. IdeaPad 3. Very slim. This Slim 3. 14 inches. Okay. It has a high active area radio. Privacy shutter. Okay, kasi meron na siya. Bakit siya privacy shutter? Kasi meron siyang ino-on at saka ino-off itong camera. Meron siyang i-on at saka i-off. So, kung ayaw mo ng camera, i-off mo lang siya. Okay, yan. Isasara mo ang camera. Tapos, off. On. Okay. Yan ang kagandahan niya ng mga features niya. So, yan. Meron din siyang fingerprint. Please, ano sabi dito? When first used, please remove it. Oh. Okay. So, remove natin yan. Alright. So, what can you say?
Thank you.
Alright. Is it the best presents ever?
Yes.
Alright. So, ang ganda talaga. Ayan.